Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL 650BT Live to your Android. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings, Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled, like this. And now we can go to headphones, and on the right one there's this button right here. You push it upwards, and now they are enabled. And on the other side of this headphone there's this another button with Bluetooth sign on it. You press on it once and this light should change to blinking blue. And now if we go down and refresh our available devices, the JBL should be here. So I'm pressing on it. Pair. And we're connected. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.